Hi, welcome everybody. We're going to look at discrete trial training for preschool. So in my classroom, I use an app called Working For. Rewards are programmed in and students are able to make a selection of what reward they want to work for. I do groups of 5 in preschool and then a reward time and then do a second set of 5. So if the student chose iPad, it says smartphone, I call it iPad. So if they're choosing technology for the reward, then we'd get that set up first and then I'd provide them with the item. So you can start out with one if I'm asking for give me here. So they're identifying the color. So you could say give me blue and have one choice for them to pick up and give me a color. You can do multiples. So we could do 2 colors and ask for blue. Give me blue. They would pick up and hand it to me. And then in my data sheet, I would put a plus if it was correct and a circle if it was wrong. You can do this kind of discrete trial training for colors, shapes, numbers, letters, or even sight words. As the students work, then if they give me a correct response, then I give them a star, and then they're able to do all 5 stars and then cash in for their reward. That lets them know that that training session is over. The generalization, I can do this one-on-one. I've used it before in small group settings, so they're providing me with responses in different places. As far as older students, I haven't worked with older students, but I know that discrete trial training does break down skills, so you're working on skills in small segments. The cautions I have for discrete trial training is making sure that if you're providing some kind of a prompt, that you can fade that prompt. So in preschool, sometimes I've had to do an extra point to show them what 2 items they're supposed to be looking at before they provide me with their answer. I've had other students that need a bump on their elbow to kind of motivate them to put their arm forward to pick an item up. So those kinds of prompts need to be faded away. And then also remembering to change the reward so that they are getting the kind of reward that's going to be motivating for them to do the work, and then making sure that you're keeping data on each one so you can see over time if it's the same colors that they're struggling with, or sometimes you can mark down on the data sheet if you're asking for blue, that blue is correct, and when you asked for yellow, it was incorrect. But they're always giving the correct response for blue. Then you can see that more teaching needs to happen to yellow in that example. Thank you.